My name is Barbara Smith, and I'm here because I was invited to consider some graphics out of the collection and comment on them. I'm basically a performance artist, so this was a strange option to come here. So I chose 3 Goya prints. They make me sad, all of them. These are like the demons that haunt you at night. There's lots of these kinds of prints that he's done. I mean, the human condition is pretty horrific, and then, you know, that like outrage and just compassion, I guess. And this goes from mythological imagery to real people, and it's a lot about cruelty. He's not celebrating this. The image is of a very big man who's really suffering, or he's in a cruel position. This is, I just relate to the sadness of them, you know. And this one, it shows Goya. I'm seeing Goya as being in touch with his feelings and enormously impassioned, enormously. You know, there's a striking circumstance going on here. Unless you were a citizen of the times, you could not really tell exactly what he's talking about. But you get the idea of maybe protecting these poor people. You know, the artists at this period of time felt free to be very expressive with the work and just putting a face on cruelty, God. And then printmaking itself became a vehicle for art making, and some artists got very involved in it, which Goya obviously did. So what I'm getting at is that artists began to be a critic of the culture through their art, and that's a thing that's happening in our times as well. Many artists are using the art medium to critique the culture.